Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony back in the dungeon. You already know what we got. You've seen the thumbnail. First and foremost, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to T and Tony TV. Welcome back to Unboxed. If you can't see the T, I got him. So, without further ado, let's get into the shoe. What we have here is the Air Jordan 4. Official colorway is white, black, and neutral gray. These are the military black Jordan 4s. You know what I'm saying? Flight on the box. Gave us a special little box. But here's the shoe, man. Here is the shoe. First off, let me get both shoes out before I start talking and running my mouth. Nothing special. Got a little cement print on the paper there, cement on the box. Here's the shoe, dog. These are a flip on the blue military Jordan 4s, military blue Jordan 4s, however you want to call it. The tongue is super plush on these joints. Heel tab, Air Jordan on the back, you know what I'm saying? Jordan Flight on the tongue. I mean, what can I say? We got hints of gray, black, and white on the sole. The little, I don't even know what they call these no more, man, but it's gray and black. This is the shoe, man, and you know, I'm a sneakerhead, and I really mess with the new colorways they dropping on the old models. It's nice, man. It's nice and it's simple. It's plain. They ain't doing too much. You can rock 3 different colors with this: black, you can rock the gray, you can rock the white, and let's see. They kind of remind me of, I can't even see them, man. Where they at? They kind of remind me of these ones I got right here. Don't even laugh. They mids. I haven't worn them yet, but that's what they remind me of. I mean, it's kind of the same colorway. Actually, the gray's a little darker, but that's what they remind me of. So, you know how we do. Let's get into the B-roll. I'm not going to keep you too long. I'm going to send you on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Air Jordan 4 Military Black. Once again, this is a flip on the military blue, one of the original colorways of the Air Jordan 4. Been retro and flipped. You know what I'm saying? Something brand new for you. So, like always, thanks for watching Unbox on T and Tony TV. And I'm out.